Hello, Rob Sensei here. In this month's workshops, we are going to talk about health. Health is something that we know we should be better at, and we know we need to do certain things at certain times, and we need to eat a certain way. But do we actually do it or not? And I've just been looking at some research about health, and I've seen this a few times before, but actually, weight training is perhaps one of the best ways we can have a healthier life for longer. So, I want to discuss weight training this month amongst other things we can do to improve our health and keep us healthy for as long as possible. I know lots of you guys are doing healthy things, but I want to know what we can add into our daily or weekly routines in order to improve our health and increase our lifespan. So we will go to the reading now. And the reading is Weight Training Can Increase Your Lifespan. Researchers have reported that regular strength training may help us to live longer. Scientists followed the exercise habits and health of nearly 150,000 adults for 30 years. The study found that people who did moderate amounts of strength training on a regular basis had a lower risk of dying at a younger age. The researchers suggested that such exercise protected people from cardiovascular problems such as heart disease and strokes and mental illnesses. People in the study who did up to 2 hours of strength training every week had a 13% lower risk of dying. There was a 19% reduced risk of dying from cardiovascular disease and a 27% lower risk of dying from mental illnesses. The researchers said our muscles play an important part in keeping us alive for longer. Stronger muscles provide many health benefits. Muscles help to control how much glucose, sugar, and harmful fats are in our body. If we do not keep our muscles active, they do not burn up so much sugar and fat. Instead, they are turned into body fat. Too much body fat can lead to diabetes, heart disease, and other health problems. The website ZME Science advised people to do a variety of exercises. It wrote, keep walking, cycling, swimming, or doing whatever gets your heart rate up. But add some resistance work too. The study is published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine. Okay, so as usual, we've got vocabulary, we've got some true or false activities, synonyms, phrases, some listening exercises, all of the grammar and spelling, etc. But I want to focus the conversation on this. These are some categories of exercise and health benefits. I want to know how good you think they are, and I want to know, can you do it? Remember, the point of this workshop is not to just learn about some of these points and learn about strength training as it is, but I want to know, can we actually incorporate or introduce one or two of these exercises or health benefits into our routines? So I'd like to have that discussion, and I'd like to know what you guys are also doing on a daily or weekly basis for your health. So please do the pre-reading as always, and I will see you in lesson this July. Thank you. Bye-bye.